So here we are at our favorite 69 beach. It's Tuesday and we're thinking to get some sun before our drum workshop tonight. I'm here with the crew. What do you think, Misha? What do you got to say?
I think today is super cool day. A little bit choppy, but it's good because it's nice cold breeze and sun, hot as hell.
And Carolina, what do you got planned for today?
Let's go sleep now. Push-ups on the beach.
Check it out.
Awesome day. Nice ocean and beautiful.
So there it is.
I love 69. One of my favorites. So Zach, tell us about these lava flows. Is the lighter flow the newer flow?
No, the darker flow is the newest flow. See, it's all black. It's the fresh lava before it started breaking down and growing grass. The grass means it's been broken down for long enough for that stuff to root. I don't know, 1,000 years or a few hundred years. I can't remember what it is.
Awesome.
That was our Prevent COVID banner as we come into Kailua Town. Here I'm going to give you a little tour of Kailua Town entrance. We have the courthouse, new courthouse they built. Kind of a nice, yeah, what do you think, Misha? Nice courthouse?
I think that's really awesome. I've been there a couple of times. I have to say, yeah, so it's really great, nice, modern building.
Yep, big improvement over the little crappy town. And here we are, we have our resident 5G towers as we come into town here. Look at this. We didn't have any until recently, but now we've got 3. And they are to power our walking mall. Can you see it? They have a walking mall called Brewery Block, and I guess people want super fast internet while they're walking around the brewery. So we have our 2 towers here, and then they connect with that tower over there. Carolina, what are you excited about eating now?
Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken?
Oh, yes.
That's what you're gonna have for snack after the beach?
Oh, I thought we were, well, later I thought, well, my snack was going to be like a bunch of rice.
What about you, Iris?
I want to see what you have time for eating before the jump.
Do you still have salmon?
What about you, Misha? What are you gonna have? What are you excited to eat?
I guess I have now.
Avocado.
Yeah, it's gonna be avocado with a little sprouts. It's fast.
Our resident raw vegan is gonna have an avocado.
You hear his bells.
She said she heard his jingles on his. Isn't that what you said, Carolina?
I thought I heard jingles.
I hear jingles that jingle, jangle, jingle. Oh.
Jiggling. More. Yeah, I told you. I heard jingles.
She heard your jingles.
Ah.
I heard jingles. I was like, you got good ears. What's up? How's that party?
Good.
Party every night.
Yeah, it seems like everyone's going hard everywhere. Alright. How to do it. There's another party tonight.
Uh-oh. Where?
So the woman who invited Ruby to the party last night is having a party tonight.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Okay.
do 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 do.